Hi, I'm Audrey Whitby, and you're watching IMO on Awesomeness TV. Today we are talking about my favorite things ever, Twitter hashtags. Yay! Hashtag sorry we're not sorry.
Ooh. That one is my favorite. This is my favorite. I think you got me attached to it a few months ago, and now
it's like my signature thing. I'm telling you.
And now I say it out loud, and
you text it too.
I text it.
She puts it in text messages. She'll be like, "Yeah, I'm going to bed. Sorry, I'm not sorry."
What's even worse than putting it in text is I do real life hashtagging.
I'm a witness of this.
It's all like people will be like, "Oh, Audrey, your driving's horrible," and I'm like, hashtag sorry, I'm not sorry.
One of my other favorites is my haters are my motivators.
Oh, burn.
I like to spell it with like @ signs and plus signs and like other
other stuff.
Like how Avril said Skater Boy in that form.
My most used hashtag is kind of embarrassing because you guys know I always tweet about my food. I post pictures on Instagram of my food.
Sorry, I'm not sorry.
Every time I talk about food, I have to put either the hashtag yum or yummy or nom nom nom. Have to. Every time. I just have to. And I kind of get scared because I use hashtags a lot. And I'll go to my @ replies and sometimes people are like, Bethany, stop using so many hashtags. Like you're obsessed. Is it bad that I want to like post a tweet just full of hashtags? Like
no, I've done that
before.
Yeah.
It's fun. Just the whole tweet is clickable.
And I like really long hashtags too. I know.
That's so annoying.
So fun. I like reading them because you have to like kind of think about it.
It takes
yeah,
a few
it's like
minutes.
a little puzzle you have to put together.
I love hashtag don't hate me because you ain't me. Like,
oh God.
So I think one of my favorite tweets I've ever tweeted before was like, I'm wearing a Forever Lazy. Hashtag don't hate me because you ain't me. I love hashtagging on Twitter.
Yeah, I love hashtag winning.
I like hashtag twinning. Sometimes people post pictures to my Twitter and because I'm obsessed with nerd glasses and mustaches. So sometimes people tweet me pictures of them wearing mustache glasses, like the glasses with the mustache attached, and I'm like, oh yeah, twinning.
I say that about Luke and Jay from the Janoskians a lot.
Oh, because
they're twins.
So
it's like, guys, they're twinning.
I think one of my favorite Twitter hashtags I've ever done was hashtag 4 words after a breakup. And I did hashtag 4 words after a breakup. Wait, we were dating? We were never ever dating.
Hashtag we're never getting back together.
Hashtag sorry, I'm not sorry.
You guys do the trending hashtags?
Yes. Yeah. I was a trending topic once.
So it's the best day ever.
It was the best day. I freaked out. My friend was like, "You're trending on Twitter." I was like, "No, I'm not." And then I go and it was Ask Tila. I was like, I am.
I got trending, I think a few weeks ago, and it was Mac Barbie 07. And I was like, oh my gosh, someone posted a picture and sent it to me and look, Bethany, they took a screenshot and everything.
It's the best feeling ever.
It's so cool.
No, it's so cool because people worldwide see that hashtag. And they'll click on it and they'll be like, who's this? And we're like, oh, I know who that is. That's so
I really want to do a clever sorry, I'm not sorry, and get it trending and be like, yeah, I started that. That's so me.
And then I'll be like, why I oughta.
I was looking at the worldwide trends on Twitter, and this one time it was I feel like a kid win, was trending, hashtag I feel like a kid win. And so I tweeted, I was like, I feel like a kid most win. And then I realized, I was like, wait, I'm still a kid. And I got so many retweets. I just I don't know, I love goofy little,
I
a
just
game.
love hashtags.
All right, you guys, tweet us your favorite hashtag at AwesomenessTV with the hashtag IMO or comment below. Hashtag sorry we're not sorry.
Awesomeness hashtag.
Tweet it at AwesomenessTV with the hashtag.